It's Justin with the Orange Beard. As a believer in transparency, honesty, and integrity, I'm going to tell you I'm a dunce. It's Sunday actually. It's 1:14 in the morning on Sunday. But I have had my brand forge going for months, building out backlinks, building out articles, posting blogs, posting social media content. I never indexed my sitemap because I didn't know that was a thing. So I did that on Thursday at 1 o'clock in the morning, about 4 days ago, actually. And I'm going to show you what happened after we indexed I'm not even writing any new or having new content posted right now. It's just based on the post already generated over the course of 3 months with Firebringer's Brand Forge. So, here's our ranking overall. Generic ranking. We're showing up for several of these. Of course, we rank first for our own brand. That took some time. It took 2 months. But now, if you look, we set up we indexed our sitemap on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, our average ranking. On Friday, our average ranking. Saturday, our average ranking. But one of the things I want to be known for is ethical AI in business. And this particular phrase, ethical AI in business automation, we were 76th, 75th, 75th, 37th. Friday, 75th. Saturday, 37th. This right here is where we're getting traction. This is the result of Brand Forge running for the last 3 months and me indexing my page on November 6th instead of May